What is that?
Gel?
What? Okay, your hair is too flimsy. I mean, and it's, I need a lot more gel. Got the sides up. Is this gel?
Yeah.
Oh god, what are you putting in my hand?
This is a nice gel. This is leave-in conditioner.
We're gonna waste it.
Look, I don't care. I have more. I have more.
It's like hardening my hand. Oh god, it smells gross.
It smells so good. It smells good. It smells like garnier.
It smells good. I didn't say it up. It's right.
Oh.
Where you at? Where you at?
Okay, I need some more for the sides back here.
Is that funny, guys?
Yeah. Too bad your hair is so long.
Okay, bend your head.
What if I kept my hair like this, like straight and back? Long, sexy. It feels so weird.
Oh my god. Oh god, this is one piece right here. Can I use that other side, the other two?
No, only one. Not the blue.
Do the sophisticated look. What?
Yeah.
Make a little. Do the look. Don't use the messy look. We use the sophisticated. What if it stayed like that, and you had to go like the dentist?
I look sexy. Look how big my ears are.
Yeah, about.
I'm a whale. Hold it up again. Maybe you'll dry like that. Start spraying it like that. Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Wait, no, give me.
Don't spray my eyes.
Wait, I want to take a picture.
Wait, get ready.
You guys, if these are on Facebook or anything, I'll kill you all.
Look, ready? Look,
Go,
look.
go.
Come look.
I could like break a balloon with that.
Okay, wait. Okay, let me try to get a whole bunch right.
Get some more. Get some more. Get some more.
Ow, ow. Be a man. Come on. Do you have a comb? Or a brush?
Yeah.
You're gonna have to like sterilize it afterwards.
Ew, this gel, it makes flakes in your hair. Look like you have dandruff.
No, it's only when it's hard.
In the camera?
What?
In the camera or afterwards?
What are you talking about in the camera?
So it gets
The
everywhere.
gel.
Oh.
Gel
Oh, your
makes
hair is so
flakes.
soft.
Thank you.
I wish I had your hair.
Oh. Yeah.
This event video still? It's recording?
Oh, I
Wait,
thought
wait,
it was
wait.
recording the whole time. Need more gel.
Alright, Diana, this goes up. I'm gonna show you.
You look like the guy from Greece.
Sorry. I didn't touch your eyeball. You touched the side.
No, that was so funny if you make it straight up like that. I could like seriously
Here, use
injure
this gel.
someone.
Well, I can't do it. Okay, if I ever got it straight up like that, because I need mega gel to make it go
I
straight
should put a
up.
cup in my hair.
Oh, yeah, like how your hair's not long enough.
A Dixie cup.
Your hair's not long enough to cover it. You need to cover it. Like Sam could do that with her hair.
Okay,
Like,
go.
put it
Keep
right in
going,
the
keep
middle.
going before it hardens.
Give me some more. A different way.
Yeah.
No, don't mess it
Oh,
up.
look at like this.
Oh God.
Here.
What?
Okay, the sides are
That's so
up, right?
cool. Look at this thing. Oh gosh, I'm gonna put like 5 different products in my hair. My
There's
hair's
some
gonna like.
skunk in your hair.
Glittery. It's glittery.
What the?
Sophisticated look.
Glitter.
Let me smell. Let me smell.
This smells okay.
Looks like
Okay,
wax.
this
Okay, you
is
haven't
good.
laughed this entire time.
Yes, I did.
Come on,
I'm sorry, I
compress
didn't. I
it.
was a burden.
Compress. Ew, that smell.
Can I get this out?
Yeah. Make a point.
Man, your won't stay up.
Hold it there for like 5 minutes. Okay,
And now spray.
spray, yeah, spray.
Okay, wait. A little bit right there.
Oh,
Okay,
Other side.
Quick.
do
Other
like a
side.
line across.
Okay, wait, no, Sam do the other side. Quick. My hand's slipping. Okay.
Okay, just let it hard. Let it hard.
Wait, pass me my phone.
I don't want to look like a fountain.
Look,
Sam, don't take a picture. Stop. Stop. Stop breathing heavily here.
Do the other side, Kira.
Hmm?
Do the other side. Right here. Okay. Okay, don't move, Rahil. Don't move. It's starting to harden. I want to get this tip up here. Give me the thing. Quick.
Is it hardening?
Yeah. Sorry, so it's gonna go in your direction, so watch out. My hand is gonna be like
Rock hard. You right here is starting to slip in the front. I really do look like a fountain.
hold on. I said hard one, really hard.
In the front, in the front.
It's falling.
My spout.
You can join your mom with her hand.
I look like a temple.
You look like Cindy Lou.
You should go like this. You should make it like go in. No, don't in it.
We should all do like a hairstyle.
Alright.
Except I don't want all that gel on me.
Look at how the mouth is coming out.
The gel or hair?
Not your hair. Like gel and hairspray.
Oh man, I feel it hardening. My head is hardening. Hello.
Do you want to like bend this top part so it doesn't be like that?
I'm here.
Bend it inwards like this.
Not so much bent. Sam, stop. Are you taking a video over there?
Yeah.
She's been taking a video forever.
Who? Wait, no.
Oh, look. Don't follow me. Did someone blink? That's so cool. It says, did someone blink?
That's how my camera is.
See, you can get that little swirl and that would stay.
No, keep it like that. Okay, you'll stay.
Wait, let me do the back, let me do the back.
Oh, you touched my shirt.
It's okay. Let me do the back. Go down.
Wait, you have to brush. Yeah, you have to brush your hair. Like make it nice.
Oh God.
Put your head down a little bit. Not too much though.
Oh God.
No, come on, that was a funny thing. You look like a different person.
Do I look sexy?
No.
You have no idea, okay? I remember you think I'm hot. And Ashley likes my butt.
Do you want to curve it this way now?
Yeah. Man, my head feels heavy in the back. No, I'm not even fun. I'm joking.
This is so fun at hairstylist. So cool.
And you should make this one go like this.
Okay.
Oh God.
No, don't actually. Just leave it. It's not long enough to do that.
Let me see. One day you have to get like